Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If subtitles on your Apple TV keep showing up no matter what you try and simply refuse to turn off, it can absolutely upsetting, especially when they suddenly appear during movies or shows. Sometimes subtitles switch back on automatically after opening another app, while other times the Apple TV settings look correct but text still stays on the screen. A problem like this can happen because of playback settings, accessibility options, app specific controls, or temporary system glitches that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major is wrong with the Apple TV, there are a few simple things worth checking because many subtitle problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix Apple TV subtitles that will not turn off. Try these. Step 1. Pause content on the Apple TV and check subtitle options during playback. Step 2. Open settings on the Apple TV and review subtitle or caption preferences carefully. Step 3. Turn off accessibility captions on the Apple TV if subtitles still stay active. Step 4. Reopen the streaming app on the Apple TV if subtitles return unexpectedly. Step 5. Restart the Apple TV briefly to refresh subtitle settings and playback controls. Step 6. Test another video on the Apple TV and confirm subtitles stay turned off normally.